Brainstorm ideas and design mockups for your marketing project using DALL-E 3. Throughout this segment, we're going to use 3 examples that you can use to brainstorm for your marketing project. 3 things to do before using DALL-E 3. First, before using DALL-E 3, ensure that you consult your professor or instructor. Second, please make sure to provide a citation or credit to the generative AI model used for your assignment. And third, it is important to use AI generative models ethically to avoid violating academic integrity. Our first example will be developing wireframe mockups for environmentally friendly water bottles. First, we're going to go to ChatGPT 4 and go to DALL-E 3. From here, what we're going to do is paste in our prompt, which states develop widescreen UX/UI website wireframe mockups for a website for environmentally friendly water bottles. From here, we're going to click enter and let it work. As you can see here, it gives us 4 mockups, and it's actually pretty good. They give us a description of 4 of the mockups. I would say this, in terms of visualization, it's really great, but it does have its limitations. As you can see in the first wireframe, there's some things that are misspelled. There's things that look off on some of the other things as well. So I would say that this is not perfect, but this is actually really good to brainstorm ideas and different concepts for marketing websites and projects that you have. Our second example will focus on designing an educational video game digital campaign. First, what we're going to do is repeat the process and go to GPT-4 and then choose DALL-E 3 again. Now what we're going to do is paste in our prompt, which states design an educational video game digital campaign graphic focusing on storylines, adventures, and biological science. The video's game release date will be on Christmas Eve, so we copy and paste that and we let DALL-E 3 work. And as you can see based on this example, we have 4 different wireframe examples, and you can see some of the visualizations that it provides us, and it does quite well. I would say some of the limitations include the characters come out slightly disfigured, but you can actually reprompt it to eliminate certain figures. You can reprompt it to recheck the spelling and etc. So once again, these are great examples in terms of giving you ideas and inspirations for your marketing project, but they're not perfect. What you're going to have to do is reprompt it to change some of the wording as well as the characters. For our third and final example, we're going to be focusing on brainstorming while creating themes and logos. What we're going to do is repeat the process and go to GPT-4 and then go directly to DALL-E 3. From here, we're going to paste in our final prompt, which states develop a wireframe sketch for a professional logo for the higher education industry. I want the logo to look like a brand icon with colors of green, white, and black. So we paste in our prompt and we let DALL-E do its thing. And as you can see, the logos came out very clean, concise, and actually probably one of the best logos that I've created with DALL-E 3. Once again, sometimes it comes out with inconsistencies, but you can see here with the logos, it comes out pretty great in terms of what we want. Once again, if you wanted to revamp some of the logos and designs, you could always ask to reprompt it based on what you need. And that concludes our segment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at jonathan.torres@rutgers.edu. Feel free to connect with me. I'm on LinkedIn and X. And if you found this video useful, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Take care.